This was the first time humanity had ever observed a celestial body more terrifying than a black hole. It spanned a full 5 light-years in diameter and was rapidly devouring everything around it. Due to this catastrophic discovery, the Star Union immediately called for an emergency summit. It turns out the gravitational wave that struck the Jin Galaxy Station was 5 light-years long. The crew pinpointed its source and confirmed that the object was in motion. Based on current analysis, the core appears to be 2 rotating black holes in the process of merging, producing massive gravitational forces. The crew presented a simulation based on theoretical calculations. It perfectly matched the conditions of the Jin system at the time of the impact. If left alone, this thing could threaten other planets. Wherever it goes, nothing survives. The Star Union decided to send the Discovery to investigate, but when they jumped to the target coordinates, what they saw was nothing like expected. Instead of a structure, there was only a swirling accretion cloud of gas and dust. Current science had no way to define it. Scanners couldn't penetrate it either. To gather more data, they had to go inside. Booker volunteered. The captain sent crew member Paul to accompany him via hologram feed. To resist interference and keep data transmission stable, the Discovery deployed a laser tether connecting both ships. If anything went wrong, they could pull the ship back. Inside, the space was filled with broken planetary fragments. Navigation was extremely difficult, but Booker was skilled in flying through chaos. Meanwhile, the Discovery was suddenly struck by another gravitational wave. Its gravity system failed. How long will it last? It's passing through me now. The crew scrambled to analyze the data. The next wave would hit in 4 minutes. If they didn't move in time, the ship would be completely destroyed. Back in the cloud, Booker's ship was also being hit. Even harder now, but the scan was almost complete. The only problem, the tether limited how far he could fly. This was a once-in-a-lifetime shot. The captain hesitated, then gave the order to cut the tether. But now, the ship was nearly out of control. There was one last chance to ride the gravitational wave. Like surfing, if the ship could enter the distorted side of the wave, its buoyancy would carry it out. Paul explained the plan to Booker, but he couldn't lock in the angle. The ship's navigation sensors were offline. In that critical moment, Paul became Booker's eyes, his navigator. The plan worked. Booker rode the wave, slingshotting back toward the Discovery. The crew analyzed the collected data and came to a chilling conclusion. It could go anywhere, at any time, and we might never have any warning at all.